Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with AWeber, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect with AWeber, begin by visiting the AWeber website. Look for the sign up button on the homepage and click it. Fill in the required information to create your account. This includes your email address, name, and a secure password. After filling out the form, click the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from AWeber. Open the email and click the confirmation link to activate your account. Once activated, return to the AWeber login page. Enter your email and password to log in. Upon logging in, you will be greeted by the AWeber dashboard. To connect AWeber to your website, navigate to the Integrations section. Click on Integrations in the left menu. Here, you will find a list of available integrations. Select the platform you want to connect, such as WordPress, Shopify, or others. Follow the specific instructions provided for your chosen platform. You may be asked to install a plugin or add an API key. If using WordPress, download and install the AWeber plugin. Once installed, activate the plugin in your WordPress dashboard. In the plugin settings, enter your AWeber account information. Save the settings to establish the connection. For other platforms, refer to AWeber's documentation for detailed steps. Once connected, you can create email lists and sign-up forms. To create your first email list, navigate to the Lists section in AWeber. Click the Create a List button. Provide a name and description for your list. You can customize the settings based on your needs. After setting up your list, create a sign-up form. Go to the Sign Up Forms section in your dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.